Hello, I'm Ben and welcome to my YouTube channel, Recipes Around the World. I am the creator of Recipes Around the World and I invite you to check out my blog at recipesaroundtheworld.com for a rich selection of food and drink recipes from around the world. Today's video is a part of my bartending/drink recipe series where I'm walking you guys through 11 categories of drinks in the bartending universe and beyond. Today's category is martinis and Manhattans. And the drink we're going to be making today is a Sapphire Martini, which is named after the precious gemstone, okay? The common alcohol base used for this drink is obviously Bombay Sapphire Gin. Obviously because of the name similarity, but also because Bombay Sapphire Gin is a good brand. We will not be using that brand today. You can use any dry gin. I'm going to be using Seagram's. But Bombay dry gin is commonly used for this drink, largely because of name association and also because Bombay dry gin has a blue bottle and this drink takes on a blue color as well, okay? So the ingredients we're going to be using for this drink will be 2 ounces of gin. I'm using Seagram's dry gin, about a 1/6 to 1/8 to an ounce of Dry Vermouth. And we're also going to use the key ingredients that makes the difference, a 1/6 to 1/8 of an ounce of Blue Curacao, okay? So again, with all martini drinks, if you want the history of martinis and where martinis come from, I recommend you watch my classic martini video I put together previously. I'll put the link for it in this video somewhere as I say this. But just one point to remember that when you're making martinis, don't ever shake the drink. You always want to keep it stirred. Well, actually I take that back. You can shake or stir. The ideal nature, because when you shake it does carbonate the drink so you have more air bubbles. The default preference for most people is to stir it because you get more of that fine quality, and also because everything we're using here is all liquor based. We don't have any fruits or creams in this, but the choice really is up to the customer. It's really up to you. If you like your drink shaken, go ahead. It's just note that when you shake the drink, the texture of the drink is going to change, okay? So by default, we're going to stir this drink, but if your preference is to shake it, please go right ahead, okay? So first and foremost, you want to chill your glass, okay? If you can, chill your glass in a freezer or fridge beforehand. You know, that option is not available to you. Just chill the glass as you make your drink, okay? We're also going to put some ice in our mixing glass, okay? Oh, sorry about that. All right. We're going to mix the drink to chill the drink, okay? Okay, that should be good. A nice amount over there. All right, so now let's make this drink. We're going to start with our gin, 2 ounces of our Seagram's, okay? This is 1. Okay, this is 2. This is a strong drink, not one of my personal favorites, but you know, for those of you who like gin heavy, you know, dry drinks, this is a pretty strong drink, okay? This is our Dry Vermouth, so you want a 1/6 to 1/8 of an ounce or 2 bar spoonfuls. So let's do 1, 2, that's good. Okay. I'm using Martini and Rossi extra dry gin. And finally, the ingredient that makes the difference is our Blue Curacao. We want 2 bar spoonfuls of these as well, okay? That's 1, that's 2, that's good. And you can see the color is changing already. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we are going to garnish this with a lemon twist, okay? And I made my garnishes beforehand, okay? Let's give this a nice stir. Stir for about, 20 to 30 reps. But I mean, again, you're the one drinking it or your customers are going to drink it, so stir to their preference. By default, 30 to 40 reps is a good standard, but obviously stir the drink to the dilution that you prefer. Okay, so ideally the way you figure that out is by tasting the drink as you stir. All right, and try and stir in a controlled fashion. If you stir too fast, the ice blocks might pop out of the glass. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with where I am right now. Just a good stir. Okay, if you want, you can taste it to see what it tastes like. And then we're going to strain into our glass. First, we pour out our ice in the glass we've been frosting. Okay, put it front and center, and then we strain. See that? This is our Sapphire Martini. Nice crystal blue color. Yeah? And to finish, we garnish with a lemon twist. Okay, I made my garnishes beforehand. This is the lemon twist there. You can stretch it out if you want to get some of the juice in, right? Stretch it out all the way. And then the choice really is yours. You can either drop it in, you can leave it hanging on the side like so. Yeah, that's how a lot of people have it. Or you can drop it in the drink if you want the flavor of the twist in the drink itself. Okay, so that, ladies and gentlemen, is your Sapphire Martini. Okay, again, like I said, pretty potent drink. For all you martini lovers out there, a nice way to experiment with colors and have some fun making a martini. And I encourage you to try it out if you like dry martinis and dry gin. Okay, so again, my name is Ben. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out all my other videos for other recipes in the drink universe and food universe as well. I wish you a very happy new year, and I will see you around for the next video in this series. Take care and cheers.